Start.
Hi everyone, we are from KSM department. My name is Prajwal and my role is resource management.
My name is Ritan, my role is budget management.
And I'm Sharon, my role is product management.
My name is Gayatri, my role is the team leader of the project.
My name is Pujita and my role is developing code.
So our problem statement is to develop an autonomous robot which is capable of navigating efficiently to dynamic environments. Coming to the issue, our issue is in large scale industries and factories, daily laborers cannot shift the load from one place to another at a very high pace. So we came up with this project.
The existing solutions regarding our project are Google Maps and line following robot. When it comes to Google Maps, mostly people navigate through using Google Maps, whereas in Google Maps it shows the fastest path but not the shortest one. When it comes to line following robot, people choose line following robot in order to travel along all unnecessary paths. So ultimately it takes longer time. Here time consuming is more. So these are the gaps and disadvantages regarding our existing solutions.
So in this project we implemented a algorithm called shortest path algorithm. So it enables the robot to navigate autonomously and it adjusts the movement based upon the real-time sensor data input. So it provides an interface between for the user and set the destination and monitor the progress of the robot.
Our project has the Arduino code. IR sensors will take the input and it gives to the Arduino sensor, and the Arduino sensor will work by taking the values from the IR sensor, and then the information will go to the motor driver, and motor driver gives the input to the bow motors and bow tires, and then it will move forward. The Arduino code will also have the forward, left, right and stop pins, and by using this code we'll work the project.
So coming to the working of this project, the first step is the environmental representation. We are going to represent the environment with a black tape or a black line. Then coming to the sensor input, the various sensor fixed in this robot, that are the IR sensors, take the input of the environment. Then initialization, we are going to give the starting and the destination point of the map, where the robot is going to consider the starting point and the ending point. Then the output, here the robot computes all the mappings and goes on the optimized route.
Now I'll demonstrate you the components. So IR sensors are positioned in front of the project, and we also use for BO motors and also wheels. And also we have used Arduino Uno, motor driver, battery. Each battery consists of 3.7 volts, and also few jumper wires for the necessary connections.